Okay, I tried the gaming, guys. This is a Christmas game. Let's see what I got here. Whoa, what's that? Some bomb there. Can touch that. Let's see, get a bomb. Oh, this is my first time to play this game. I'm not familiar with this thing. Oh, so many bombs there. I don't know how I do that. I don't know if I can touch it or no. Whoa, what's that? Here we come. Here we go, Christmas time, Christmas time. Are you gonna do that? Whoa. Listen, oh, what are you gonna do now? Uh-oh. I can see. No, oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck in here. Oh, that one. How about that one? The red balls. Blue ribbon and what else? Yellow bell. Ooh. Christmas tree. Maybe there's a red balls here. What else? Green Christmas tree. Oh, almost. Oh, we got it. Oh, listen, maybe the back. Oh, that's how it works, huh? Oh, yes. Level complete. Next. What next? Oh, same thing. Oh, no. Maybe this one. Yellow bell. Oh, yellow bell. Oh, yellow bell. How about green Christmas tree? Red balls. Blue ribbon here. Yellow bell. Blue ribbon. Blue ribbon. Red balls. Oh, yellow bells. Oh, what else? Christmas tree. What else in here? Boom, boom. Red balls. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, that's how we do it. Maybe we're gonna pop like that. Okay. Level complete. Great job, guys. Pang 3 na to. Level 3. Level 3. Yellow bell. Next, blue ribbon. Green Christmas tree. Red balls. Yellow bell. Oops, boom. Oh, that's the easy one, huh? Green 4. Next, how about the green Christmas tree? What else? Red balls. Blue ribbon. Yellow bells. Green Christmas tree. Red balls. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Red balls. Red balls. Blue ribbon. Red balls. Red balls. Blue ribbon. Yellow bells. Oops. Green Christmas tree. Green Christmas tree. Whoa. What next here? Oh, great job. Next. Fifth. What else in here? Yellow bear. Red bush. Red bush. Green Christmas tree. Yellow bear. Oh, there's a red ball. What else? Yellow, blue ribbon. Green Christmas tree. Green Christmas tree. Tung 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 pakitung kitong halimango. Green Christmas tree. Green Christmas tree. Blue ribbon. Oh, wow. Level complete. Pang 6 na to. Pang 6. Maybe how to get fast. It is maybe red ribbon. Oh, blue ribbon pala. Have blue one. Green Christmas tree. Blue ribbon. Yellow balls. Yellow. Blue. Red. Oh, 7 guys. Ilang levels kaya to? 7. 7 red balls. Red balls again. Green Christmas tree. Boom, boom, boom. Blue one. How about that one? Yellow one. Red one. Yellow one. Green one. Oops. Green one. Red one. Green one. Red ball. Green one. Blue ribbon. Green one. Blue one. Red one. Boom. One. Yellow one. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, boom. What? Pang 8 pa. Pang. Red one. Red, red, red. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Green, green, green. Blue, blue, blue. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Blue, blue, blue. Red, red, red. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Green, green, green. Red, red, red. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. Yellow, yellow, yellow. What else? Oh. What else? Green, green, green. Red, red, red. 9. Cool. 9, 9. Next. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. Red, red, red. Blue, blue, blue. Blue, blue, blue. Green, green, green. Red, red, red. Yellow, yellow, yellow. yellow, red, green, yellow, blue, red. Where is the yellow? Blue one, the blue one too, green one, red one. Oh, maybe that. Maybe this is the last one. Then where's the yellow one? Where's the green one? Red, blue, red, green. What else in here? Green one, yellow bell one, red ball, blue ribbon, green Christmas tree. Oh, it's Oh, 11 na siguro to. What's this next? Green one, red one, blue one, yellow, blue. Well, that's it. Easy, huh? 11, 12 one. What? The first color I got is red balls. The next one is red ball. The third one is blue ribbon. Fourth one is maybe this is 12 one. 12, what's the next? First one I got is green Christmas tree. Green. The green is green. Green is, how about that red ball? How about the yellow bells one? What about the blue one? How about the red balls? Wow. Boom. Oh no, what's that? Boom. How about the blue balls? How about the yellow bells? How about the blue one, red one, blue one again? 4 colors here, huh? How about the green, the yellow one, and boom. I think next level is 13. Boom. It's just fun, having fun doing play games here. First one is yellow bell. Second one is red ball. How about the green? yellow one. Oh, dun, 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 dun. 14. Green one. Green. My favorite color is green, white, and yellow. But now I have manicure. I do my own manicure and pedicure. Red, getting ready for Christmas. It's Christmas time coming soon. 15 next, 15 level. Number 15. 15. Boom. 5, 10, 15. First one is blue. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Blue. Green. 16 level. Number 16. Blue one. Green. Blue. Red. Green. Blue. Red. Green. Blue. Green. Blue. Yellow. Boom. Red. Boom. Blue. Green. Yellow. How about red? Boom. How about what next? Boom. Oh no, I can't. Blue one. Blue. Green. What next in here? Maybe green. Maybe blue. Maybe red. Boom. Great tab. Now I have 17. Level 17 ako. Green, red, blue, green, yellow there. Second touch is red. Third touch is red. Fourth is red. Fifth is blue. 6 red. 7 blue. 8. Oh no, 8 is green. Next is blue. Next is yellow. Next is yellow. Next one is blue. Next one is red, green, 22, 22, boom, boom, boom.